When you look up at the stars, what do you feel? A vast universe, right there before you. But here's what keeps physicists up at night. Everything you see, the stars, the galaxies, the matter that makes us, accounts for only about 5% of the universe. The remaining 95% is invisible, untouchable. Its true nature remains beyond our grasp. By the time this video ends, what it means to see reality will never feel the same. The 1970s. Astronomer Vera Rubin noticed something deeply unsettling. Stars at the outer edges of galaxies weren't slowing down, no matter how far they were from the center. By every law of gravity we knew, that was impossible. Something invisible had to be there, exerting mass, shaping motion. The idea of dark matter traces back to Zwicky in 1933, but Rubin's observations gave it powerful new support. Let's look at what the latest satellite data reveals about the composition of our universe. Ordinary matter, stars, planets, everything that makes us, accounts for just about 4.9%. Dark matter, roughly 26.8%. And dark energy, approximately 68.3%. In total, about 95% of the universe remains unexplained at its most fundamental level. We are living inside a tiny fragment of something far larger than we can comprehend. Dark matter doesn't interact strongly with light. It doesn't glow, absorb, or reflect. And yet, it has gravity. That gravity bends light passing behind it. By studying those distortions, we can strongly indicate the presence of invisible mass. Right now, Euclid and the Rubin Observatory are mapping those distortions with unprecedented precision. We infer existence through absence. 1998. Two independent research teams observing distant supernovae stumbled onto something no one expected. The universe's expansion wasn't slowing down. It was accelerating, pushing outward against gravity itself. In standard cosmology, that acceleration is explained by dark energy. Its true nature remains unknown. And the latest 2025 observations suggest dark energy's strength may be changing over time. The mystery only deepens from here. Einstein once proposed what he called the cosmological constant, the idea that empty space itself carries energy. A universe that neither expands nor collapses, held in perfect tension. Later, the legend grew that he called it the greatest blunder of his life. And yet, today, that same idea is making a comeback. What the cosmos keeps showing us is this: even our mistakes can become doorways to truth. I want to pause here and consider something. Underground detectors around the world search for direct signals. The LHC hunts for dark matter by creating collisions. Two entirely different approaches, aimed at the same mystery. And yet, no decisive detection of the leading candidate particles has been made. Still, experiments like LZ and XENONNT have dramatically sharpened their sensitivity by 2024, steadily narrowing the possibilities. Now, scientists are expanding their search to new candidates, particles like axions, beyond the WIMP paradigm. This is not failure. This is science at the edge of the unknown. Consider this for a moment. If dark energy continues tearing the universe apart, eventually galaxies, stars, even atoms could be ripped asunder. That scenario, predicted by some dark energy models, is called the Big Rip. Or perhaps everything simply cools and goes still, what physicists call the heat death. And if dark energy is weakening, the universe might reverse course entirely, collapsing inward in what's known as the Big Crunch. To understand 95% of the universe is to confront the possible end of everything we are. Today, we journeyed into the invisible side of the cosmos. First, roughly 95% of the universe is dark matter and dark energy. What we call visible reality is just a fragment. Second, dark matter can't be seen directly, but gravitational lensing and multiple lines of observation strongly point to its existence. Third, dark energy's identity remains unknown. Its very nature may be shifting over time, and the final fate of the universe remains an open question. Being invisible does not mean being absent. If anything, The invisible is what governs the cosmos. And that raises a question about the very act of knowing itself. We've always called what we can see reality. But what if roughly 95% of reality is beyond our sight? What does real mean to you? And here's where a crucial question emerges. What separates the scientific pursuit of verifying the invisible through observation and evidence from simply believing in it? Share your insights in the comments below. Your questions are what push this channel and this conversation forward. Thank you for staying with me on this journey of discovery, all the way to the end. If dark matter, dark energy, and the hidden truths of the universe speak to you, Mindshift is your channel. We explore the nature of the cosmos, consciousness, and existence through both the lens of science and the depth of philosophy. Subscribe and turn on notifications so we can keep venturing into the unknown together. If this video sparked a new question in you, let me know with a like or a comment. Until next time.